Hello, my name's Ron Anderson, and the tip of the day is the breath. The breath is the spine. It's what makes the voice work. It's the most important thing that we have to make the voice function correctly. But it's very simple. When we're taking the breath, we're creating a space and we're opening up the rib cage. Once the rib cage is open, we sustain that opening. Don't let the ribs come back in. The second the ribs come in, there is no support left, even though you may have a lot of air and a lot of breath left to go. You cannot support the sound. The mechanism at that point is closed. So we're going to do this and take the breath. Notice that nothing is moving. And when the ribs start to come in, you need another breath. Have a good day.